Hello, I will. Hello, YouTube. It's Garamore. Today I'm going to show you how to disable a touch-to-click function on a Dell Touchpad. Next, you want to go to. I don't know if you saw it, but I clicked on the arrow down there. It's out of the frame. And I clicked on Dell Touchpad. And I clicked on Touchpad Properties. And go here. I want to go to. Mine's already off. You want to make sure this tap to click is not selected. Go to buttons. I also like to disable two-finger click for the shortcut menu, and also check disable navigation in the button zone, and to just turn off the gestures. And then after you do that, you just click save. Then there it is, you're done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links in the description. Goodbye.